So my dudes, welcome to another episode of Fix This Old Shitty Garage, episode 3-ish. Today's episode. No, but seriously, welcome back, guys. We are, last time I left you guys off, I think we had done some wiring and we're ripping out some ductwork and stuff like that. I am pleased to report that my ductwork has been replaced. Turned out phenomenal. I know a guy. Okay, he does a great job. Yeah, there's that. It helps to know a guy, right? And by know a guy, I mean this guy. So anyways, dudes, here is the new duck. Shazam. Pew. Pretty nice. All sized properly. All of the vents are proper. The airflow is fantastic. Yeah. So it turned out nice. I didn't anticipate redoing all of this. If there's one bit of advice I can give you before you start a project is be prepared for just about anything. So we never know what we're going to get into. So as I'm starting to see now, I decided that instead of removing the plumbing, the drain, this thing to fucking cooperate with me here a little bit. There we go. Instead of redoing all them there turd pipes, we decided to just paint them black and leave them alone for the time being. If I decide in a later time I don't like them, we'll cut them out and we'll replace them. We'll move them somewhere else. We'll do some other shenanigans. But for now, we're going to leave them alone, okay? Because I don't like plumbing. There's only 2 things you need to know to be a plumber. Shit rolls downhill. Wait, I'm sorry. 3 things. 3 things you need to know to be a plumber. Shit rolls downhill. Don't bite your fingernails. And paychecks are on Friday, boys. I'm going to be a fucking plumber. And we are going to be replacing, these are the main water lines. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. All the way down through here. So we went to Home Depot today. We got some goods. PEX pipe. The Pexinator. So yeah, we're going to be running PEX pipe in place of these pipes, which means we have to drill more holes in joists. It's good times. Let's get started. Only a fucking man uses DeWalt tools. None of that sissy royalty crap. In case you guys were wondering what it's like to drill holes. Do 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 do. Gotta reposition. Copy over. Holy moly! All right, only 596,376 more holes to go. Cool. we have got new plumbing in the house. It's great. That was about a 2-day job, guys. A little over 2 days, I think, actually. Kind of tried to get in there the best I could. Just kind of show you guys the process of this here. This is, you know, as we said, PEX piping. But yeah, my dudes, we are done. Good to go. We had its challenging moments, that's for sure. We ended up having to, you know, redo some things along the way, replace some things up in the house, especially along the way. But you know, kind of all worth it in the end. We're gonna be able to keep that ceiling, you know, real nice and high, which is the goal here. You know, nice and flat all the way over till we get to here, and then we'll box around. So that is the plan, my dudes, is saving us some headroom in here. But she had her challenges, my dudes. And then basically, you know, for some of this stuff, we ran new all the way up in. Some of it we just retied back into existing. Didn't really need to get in there and fart with all that. So that wasn't necessary, guys. Don't do any more work than you absolutely have to. There's nothing wrong with the copper pipes. Nothing wrong with them at all. We just had to retro to get, you know, as I said, to get our ceiling height. So plumbing is done, my guys. I'm super excited. That was kind of fun. Had its challenging moments. Only thing we got left to do is we're gonna cut in a spigot, and we're gonna have a spigot in between both garage doors for washing cars out in the driveway there. Make it nice and easy, convenient, just a nice place to hook up a hose and wash cars outside. That'll be great too. But yeah, guys, that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there. Next episode, we're going to be doing some electrical drywall removal, running some new circuits and lighting, and then we're getting days closer to drywall, dudes. So I'm excited. I can't wait. Stay tuned for the next one, and we will see you guys on the next one.